Learn, enjoy physics with Sarabdeep Kaur Sidhu, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics at S Government College of Science, Education and Research, Jagraon, Ludhiana, Punjab. Hello, my dear students of BSc 6 Master. So, welcome to Physics classes by Sarabdeep Kaur Sidhu. So, today's our topic is about piezoelectric effect and ferroelectric effect. So, piezoelectric effect and piezoelectric materials. So first of all, what is piezoelectric effect? So from the name clear, piezo, the meaning of piezo in Greek means pressure, and therefore piezoelectricity means pressure electricity. It means pressure electricity. So in certain crystals which have a lack of certain symmetric properties, then in that materials a mechanical stress produced and polarization. Which produces an polarization? Mechanical stress produces an polarization, and reciprocally when applied field produces strain, mechanical strain, and these effects are called direct and inverse. First, mechanical stress, that is direct, and when mechanical strain, inverse for piezoelectric effect respectively. ठीक है जी, this is about piezoelectric effect. Or we can also say that the certain crystals and ceramic materials, they are electrically polarized. Electrically polarized means electric charge appear on their surface when mechanical stress is applied on them. ठीक है, that effect is called also, we say this piezoelectric effect. And crystals, that type of crystals are called piezoelectric crystals, and that type of crystals are called piezoelectric crystals. ठीक है जी. For example, you can say the examples are crystals of tourmaline, quartz, cane sugar, rock-clay salt, that is sodium potassium tartrate, tetrahydrate. ठीक है, generate electric polarization from mechanical stress, and which have from and quartz and rock-clay salt, these have most piezoelectricity, these type of materials. ठीक है जी. So in these type of materials, the very small strain produced and large electric field is required. You can say in inverse piezoelectric effect, you can say the large electric field, sometimes order of like 1000 volt per centimeter, that is required to produce a small strain, to produced a small strain, that is order of 10 raised to power minus 7. ठीक है जी, clear? So you can say with 100 volt per centimeter produces a strain of order of 10 raised to power minus 7. ठीक है जी. Then what will be the condition? What is the condition for piezoelectric effect? The necessary condition for this is that the absence of center of symmetry, or we can say that absence of center of inversion is required. Absence of center of inversion is required for the occurrence of piezoelectricity. This is very important. Absence of center of inversion. ठीक है जी, or absence of center of symmetry. So this is about important concept. Then what are the uses of this piezoelectricity? So uses of piezoelectricity, that is, it is used to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, and vice versa. Means mechanical is also converted into electric, and due to this they are having important application, that they are used as a they are also used as a transducers. So due to this they are used as a transducers. ठीक है जी, transducers. ठीक है, that all of you know what is a transducer. Then another application is they are also used as a high stable oscillators for frequency control. So because piezoelectric जो materials है, they can vibrate in several mechanical modes. because they vibrate in a different or several mechanical modes. So as a frequency of vibration ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ that depends upon the dimension of the specimen, and frequency ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ modulation that depend upon the vibration ਦੀ that depend upon the frequency of vibration that depends upon the directly proportional to या depends upon the dimensions of specimen. ठीक है जी. And also upon elastic constants. ठीक है जी. And this depends upon, you can say, depends upon dimensions and elastic constants of the material. ठीक है जी. So we can say that if we take a quartz crystal, and if the quartz crystal is subjected to an alternating voltage at one of its resonant frequencies, then oscillations will be set up in the crystals. ठीक है. So generally ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ cut quartz disc ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, cut quartz discs, you can say cut quartz disc. ठीक है जी. These are used for this purpose. They are used for this purpose. ठीक है जी. This is all about piezoelectric material. Then is ferroelectricity and ferroelectric material. This is also important in ferroelectric substances. What will happen, the dielectric substance जो dielectric substance है that exhibits an electric dipole moment in the absence of electric field. So when there is no electric field, then there is a electric dipole moment. These materials are called ferroelectric materials. So it is occurrence of spontaneous electric polarization. If there is a dipole moment, then there is a polarization, electrical polarization in a crystal in the absence of external field. ठीक है जी. Or we can also say that in these type of materials, the center of positive charge does not coincide with the center of negative charge. Or you can say center of positive charge does not coincide with center of negative charge. ठीक है जी. Thus producing, if they are not coinciding, then there is a net dipole moment. So there is a non-zero, because the center of positive charge does not coincide with the center of negative charge. So there is a non-zero value of dipole moment, electric dipole moment. ठीक है जी. So these and in these type of materials there are domains in the electric dipoles, because domains in which the electrical dipoles align in the same direction, that we say that domain in a small region where all the dipoles they are arranged in same direction, and in this the domains are called in ferromagnetic materials they are called ferromagnetic domains. Here they are called ferroelectric domains. ठीक है जी. When electric dipoles align in the same direction, that reasons. Clear ji. And we can also say there are so many applications of these type of materials. And also we can here say that another thing for these type of materials, I will write here that they having static dielectric constant epsilon that is equal to C over, this is called Curie's law in this type of materials. This is transition temperature. So there is a transition or Curie temperature, and above this temperature the ferroelectric behavior disappears. So above this temperature the ferroelectric, so carry to memory the derivation we don't need in BSc. Ferroelectric changes to disappear, you can say ferroelectric disappears, effect है जेड़ा. And above this temperature, transition temperature, the material is said to be in paramagnetic state. केड़ी state change हो जाता है? Not magnetic here, paraelectric state. So material convert into paraelectric state above QD temperature above transition temperature. ठीक है जी. So there is a rapid drop in the dielectric constant as temperature increases. So we can, from this we can say that it is temperature dependent. Temperature dependent है, temperature dependent. So ਜਦੋਂ temperature ज़्यादा high हो जाता है, when temperature is high, then dielectric constant, there is a rapid drop in the this dielectric constant. ठीक है जी. So this is about the materials, and these are the examples. So rock clay salt, barium titanate. ठीक है जी. These are all the examples. This is the formula for rock clay salt. These are the examples. Then what are the applications? Applications, main application, and they are used as a memory device, but less attractively used as compared with ferromagnetic materials. So main application area, they are used as a memory device. ठीक है जी. Then the special note है कि all piezoelectric crystals are not necessary. This is very important, sometime come in exams, that all piezoelectric crystals are not necessarily ferromagnetic, but all ferroelectric and but all ferroelectric, they are piezoelectric. Ferroelectric they are piezoelectric, but piezoelectric are not necessarily ferroelectric. For example, tourmaline, it is a piezoelectric but not ferroelectric at all. ठीक है जी. ठीक है. So जी value जी ferroelectric materials है, they, if the dielectric constant for these materials is high, then high value जी dielectric constant दी for ferroelectrics, this make them commercially important in the manufacturing of small size capacitors. जी value जी है high, इत्थे तुसीं लिख सकते हो applications, high value of dielectric constant जी है constant makes them commercially important in the manufacturing of small size capacitors. These small size capacitors are इन्हां दी capacitance की होएगी high capacitance. ठीक है जी. Clear? So this is all about this. Thank you very much.